In today's video, we are talking about one of the most important skills in life, money management. Everyone works hard to earn money, but financial problems begin when we don't know how to handle that money properly. So in this video, you will learn a complete roadmap on how to manage money, save money, invest money, and become financially strong. The first rule is to track your money. Write down how much you earn, how much you spend, which expenses are necessary, and which ones are wasteful. The second rule is to make a budget, like the 50-30-20 rule, where 50% goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. The third rule is to save first and spend later. As soon as you receive your income, set aside money for savings. The fourth step is to build an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months of expenses so that you don't fall into debt during difficult times. The fifth point is to avoid high-interest loans because they stop your financial growth. The next step is investing. SIPs, mutual funds, stocks, index funds, skills, or even a small side business. These are what actually grow your money. Wealth comes to those who use the power of compound interest. Also, never depend on only one income source. Learn new skills, try freelancing, or start a small part-time business for additional income. And the most important part, increase your financial knowledge. The more you learn, the more you earn. If you follow these rules consistently with discipline, your financial life can completely transform within a few years.